Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I'm headed to CVS, y'all. It's late. It's like 10:30. It's almost 11. Your girl didn't even really want to go today. I feel like it's a slow week, but I do have extra care bucks I need to roll, so I figured, well, why not? I do have a few deals to share with y'all, but this should be pretty smooth. I'm hoping to just work on one card and do 2 transactions. I have an 8 off of 40. I got 8 off 40s on 3 of my cards. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. So without further ado, you guys, without further ado, let's get over to CVS and see what awesome deals we can grab this week. All right, guys. So this first deal I'm going to grab is on the Almay. It is spend 15, get back 5 with a limit of 6 per card. So for this, we're going to grab 2 of the eyeshadows, which are priced at $8.49. That total is going to come to $16.98, but we're going to be using 2 of the $3 coupons from our inserts. Now, we also have a $2 CRT that everyone should be getting, bringing that total down to $8.98 out of pocket, getting back 5 in extra care bucks, plus 6 on Ibotta, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the mascaras priced at $10.99, and I'm going to stack this with 4 of the eyeshadows priced at $8.49. The total for all 5 products is going to come to $44.95. We'll be using 5 of the $3 coupons from our inserts, plus that 2 off of 1 CRT that we're all getting. I'll end up paying $27.95 out of pocket, but I'll get back $15 in extra care bucks. Plus, I'll get back $15 on Ibotta, making this a $2.05 moneymaker. Next up is the Axe. It is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2, get back 5. So we're going to grab 2. The first one's going to be $6.49. That second one is $3.25. Total is going to come to $9.74. But we're going to be using this 4 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. We'll end up paying $5.74 out of pocket, but we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, plus $1.50 for each on Fetch Reward, making this a $2.26 moneymaker. Our next deal is on the Dove hair care. It is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2, get back 3. Now for this, the first one's going to be $5.19. Our second one is going to ring up for $2.60. The total for both should come to $7.79. Now for this, I'm using a $2 hang tag I did find at Walmart several weeks ago. We do have a $2 digital as well that we can use. That'll bring the total down to $3.79 out of pocket. We'll get back $3 in extra care bucks, making them only 39 cents each. Next up is L'Oreal. It is 2 for $9. It's also buy 2, get back 2. So for this, I'm going to grab 2 of them. Now, I do have this 4 off of 2 hang tag that I found here at CVS. I want to say I grabbed these up last week. Now, we do also have a 3 off of 2 digital. I'm hoping will attach as well. We'll end up paying 2, getting back 2, making them both free. So hopefully they'll both come off. All right, so our next deal is on the Suave. It is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2, get back 2. And so the cheapest one I could find are these here, priced at $3.19 for that first one. The second one is going to be $1.60. The total will come to $4.79. Then we're going to use this 2 off of 2 printable right here. I got mine from my Ip Fairy. That'll bring the total down to paying $2.79, but we'll get back the 2, making them only 39 cents each. All right, so this last deal I got from Crazy Deals and Steals. So it's on the Crest / Oral-B. The Crest 3D White is on sale for $6.99. Now for this particular one, we do have a $3 digital for it, so make sure that you clip that. And this is buy 2, get back 4. Now we're also going to be grabbing the gum detoxifying as well. It's also priced for $6.99, and we do have a separate $3 digital for this as well. And then to round this off, we're going to also grab 3 of the Crest 3D White. I do have a 6 off of 30, which is why I'm lumping all these deals together. So we're going to grab 3 of these, priced at $3.99. Now for this, we have a 5 off of 3 digital. We also have a $2 digital as well that should glitch and come off as well with this deal. And then last but not least, we're going to be grabbing the Oral-B toothbrushes, which are again priced at $3.99, buy 3, get back 5. So for this, just a heads up, the double packs, they do work as well. All right, so 3 of these, and then we have a $2 printable from P&G Good Every Day. There's also a digital as well for this deal. So our total before coupons and digitals is $37.92. Afterwards, our total comes down to $14.92. We're going to then get back $14 in extra care bucks. I'm making it only 92 cents or 11 cents each. Now, another option for you, if you have a 3 off of 18 CRT, you want to grab 3 of each. Now, I did print off $2 coupons off the P&G Good Every Day website, so I used 2 of those, so 3 off of 18 CRT, and then I had two $2 digitals as well that came off with that 5 off 3 digital. So you'll end up paying $7.94. You'll get back 10, making all 6 products free plus a $2.03 moneymaker. Here is my complete haul for you guys for today. As much as I love to say today was perfect, it was not. The first store was the hugest headache in my life, just a headache. And I'll probably throw on a clip of the situation at the end of this video. But we made up for it at the second store. L'Oreal, I'm using the hang tag and the digital did attach. For the Dove, I used 2 hang tags. That was fine. For the Suave, the 2 off 2 worked perfectly fine. I'll insert a screenshot of the person I got that IP from. The second store, they were a little cheaper. They were $2.89. So after coupon and extra care bucks, it made them like 34 cents for 2. The Axe, second store I got the deodorant, although I really wanted to do body wash, but that store was out of them. And so I got the deodorant, used 4 off 2 coupon for that. Now I did also have the body wash on Fetch Reward, but I did have to have the receipt corrected, so it's in review as of now. But hopefully I'll get back $1.50 because it just picked up one of them. So everything that you see here retails $184.93. This is $14.14 in sales tax. We had $113 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $71.93. And then I walk away with $66 in extra care bucks, $15 for my Ibotta, and then 3,000 points on Fetch Reward are $2.10. So getting back $83.10, making everything you see here free plus $11.17. So even though it seems like it's a slow week, I do feel like there's still some great deals to be got. And even after tax, we still net this at $2.97 or only 8 cents each, which I think is just awesome. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned in the video for this breakdown, this Crest deal I got from Crazy Deals and Steals. So with this deal, you just want to make sure that you scan the cheaper toothpaste and the toothbrushes first, so that 5 off of $5 digital and $2 digital will attach to that. Have them total it, and then throw on the gum detoxify and the brilliant one, and then that both for the $3 digital should pop off. Otherwise, you might have the 5 off 3 or the 2 off 2 attached to the higher price ones, and then those digitals won't attach. And so there's that. Other than that, you guys, my receipts really quick. Let's see, this one right here is the one I had the 8 off 40 on. For this one, it worked out pretty good. Like all the coupons that I used worked for it. There goes the L'Oreal at the very top. There goes the Crest 3D white. There goes the detoxify one. There goes our Axe, our Suave, and then the Dove. And then all my coupons that I used all work for this. There goes that L'Oreal that attached. There goes the digitals for the Crest, 8 off of 40. And then for this one, I rolled $15.77 in extra care bucks. And then we got back a total of, what is that, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 back. And this one right here, I just did 6 of the 3 toothpaste and 3 Oral-B. This one I did use the printables. I used 1 for the toothpaste and 1 for the toothbrush. And then there goes the $2 digital on the toothpaste. There goes the 2 off of 2 or 2 off 1. And then there goes the 5 off of, I don't know if it was 5 off 2 or 5 off 3. And then there goes the 3 off of 18. So for this one I paid $7.89, and then we got back the 10. So it made that a pretty good deal. And then this one here was just all of the toothpaste and stuff. I tried to use the coupon for the toothbrush, but it didn't. I don't know why. It works when it wants to work. It didn't work. But I did get an extra $2 digital that came off on here. So I'm not complaining about that. Crest toothpaste and Crest toothpaste. Yeah, so this one we ended up paying, what is that, $14.92? And got back 14. So that one was good. This is the one that was a headache. This one was a headache. You know, my coupons didn't scan. They had to give me extra care bucks back. She scanned my ECBs, but she didn't really scan them because they're still on my account. And I know she didn't scan them because I had a 10. So I ended up paying $16.24 out of pocket, which I don't like at all. Because I had the extra care bucks, but she had a line of 5 people and I wasn't really trying to have her void it and start all over. And then that's what I got back on extra care bucks for that transaction. So other than that, you guys, everything else worked out okay. Jojo, what's your emoji for today?
An Easter bunny.
An Easter bunny.
And an Easter egg.
And an Easter, so we get 2?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, you heard it. If you got to this point in the video, I would love to see Easter bunnies and Easter eggs in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.